Do you dream of making money without lifting a finger? Well, today I'm going to show you how to unlock unlimited wealth with zero effort. It's called passive income, and it's the ultimate money-making strategy. Title: How to Make Money Without Doing Anything. Vertical bar passive income explained. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content on money, finance, and entrepreneurship. So, let's get started. Investing. We all know that putting money into stocks, real estate, or bonds can bring in passive income through dividends or appreciation over time. Rental income. Owning property and renting it out through platforms like Airbnb can be a great source of steady income without a lot of day-to-day work. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos on platforms such as Amazon or Etsy can earn you money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Peer-to-peer lending. Lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on the returns. Automated online businesses. Setting up dropshipping, print-on-demand, or affiliate marketing websites can generate income passively once established. Licensing your work. Artists, photographers, and content creators can license their work to websites or companies for royalties. App or software development. Creating an app or software and earning through subscriptions, ads, or downloads can be a lucrative source of passive income. Conclusion. So, there you have it. These are some incredible ways to make money with minimal effort or sometimes even without doing anything at all. But remember, while these methods offer passive income, setting them up might require some initial effort and research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also interested in generating passive income. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on achieving financial success.